Grendel's Den is a Harvard Square landmark, but this basement bar had to go all the way to the Supreme Court for the right to get a liquor license from the city of Cambridge, Massachusetts. We talked to Jay Wexler, professor of law at Boston University, and author of Hullabaloos, a road trip to the battlegrounds of the church-state wars about this historic case.
If you were a bar and you wanted to get a liquor license, you'd go to the zoning authority or whatever it was, and you'd get your liquor license, but then that liquor license had to go to the various churches, and the churches would, if a church wanted to veto the liquor license, they would do so. Grendel's, when it opened, was within 500 feet of an Armenian church, and the Armenian church was tired of having all these bars around, and apparently there were 26 other bars or something like that around, and so it vetoed Grendel's liquor license. It went all the way to the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court said, you can't give a church actual government power, because that's promotion of religion under the Lemon Test. It said that the government can't act with a purpose to promote religion, and it can't act in a way that has the primary effect of advancing religion, and it also can't entangle itself with religion. So it's a kind of a three-prong test, although recently the third prong has been folded into the second prong, so now it's only sort of two and a half prongs.
In the years since the decision, the church building was torn down and replaced by this building, which now houses a Pete's coffee shop. I asked Professor Wexler, what if the state decided to give Pete's the power to veto liquor licenses? Would that be constitutional?
It would be really weird, but it would be constitutional. That's something that the state of Massachusetts could consider. And I think that, Pete's coffee is, for me, I mean, I'm not religious, I'm an atheist, but Pete's coffee comes pretty close to the divine for me.